My most meaningful clinic experience in the gender violence clinic had to have been working with a client on her parole reconsideration matter. And the reason it was so meaningful was because this client didn't really have adequate representation before, and we just wanted to give her an opportunity to be heard. So we helped her put together a parole packet. We petitioned the Maryland Parole Commission, and we worked with just telling her story and giving her a voice.
One of my clients is a victim of gender-based violence who committed a crime as a result of being in an abusive relationship, and that crime ended up having really severe immigration consequences for her. And even though it's been 20 years down the line, she still fears for her stability in the United States, so we are helping her to seek a presidential pardon.
A lot of our clients are criminalized survivors. A lot of them are in prison or incarcerated in Maryland, for example, for killing their very abusive partner in self-defense, and that's something that may not have been heard during trial. So we just really try to focus on the client and practice client-centered lawyering.
Working with Professor Goodmark has been amazing. She's so knowledgeable and passionate about these issues and passionate about working with these clients, and that really just shines through and I think inspires a lot of us students to be passionate and work hard on these cases as well.
It was a very hands-on and hands-off approach. Hands-on in the sense that she was there for you with whatever that you needed. She was there to answer your questions and guide you along the way with whatever you needed in terms of helping out your client or with the project that you were working on, but also hands-off in the sense that if you came to her and you had a general question, she would kind of just push you to answer that yourself.
And she's so supportive of all the clinic students. I mean, there's a reason that so many people stay on for clinic too. I'm going into my 3rd semester now, and I'll probably try and stay on for a 4th if I can. You really can't replicate the sort of experience that you get from being in a clinic, especially the gender violence clinic, outside of the clinic environment. It's just such a good way to prepare yourself for real law work.
I definitely felt that it gave me the room and the space to grow and to make those mistakes and to develop the confidence and skills I needed to be an attorney one day.